Like the similar way, we can also check the disk usage for the temp and other things, right? We have used that and all those things, right? To star usage. So this is going to provide me the output for the both the disk. I think both of them having a total of 10 GB out of 8 GB is available. Okay, for me on the Ubuntu, both Ubuntu and CentOS machine, you can get it like this. And if I want to redirect a particular command, okay, so I told you like the package name for CentOS and Ubuntu are totally different. Okay, in CentOS, the package name for Apache is called HTTPD, but in Ubuntu, it's called as Apache 2. Okay, so if I want to install a package only on this particular node, okay, prior to that, if I want to list all the minions which are added to the master, there is a command. First, let me show you that. You are working on the master, you want to get all the list of minions added to the master. The command is salt-run .up. Okay, so till now we are using the salt command. Here notice that I'm using salt.run. Okay, salt.run will be run on the local host. This will not run on the remote. Okay, so manage.up is going to give you it is going to execute it on the master. Okay, from the master, it is going to list all the nodes or the minions which are going to be attached in the salt master. Okay, so this command you can keep it handy if you want to get the list of all the minions which are added to the master. You can use it, salt.run manage.up. Okay, and then if I want to install a specific package, that is Apache 2, I want to install it here. Same thing I can do it here, the same package.install. So salt ubuntu.training.com package.install Apache 2. Please note, the package manager for Ubuntu is apt and the package manager for RPM based system, that is CentOS system, is yum. I am not giving any of that to it. Okay, I'm using the common module called package. Okay, and based on the operating system, Salt understood that for this minion, I should be using apt, and using the apt, it is installing it for me. So you don't need to specify what should be the package manager for it and all those things. Okay. If I check it now, here, so system CTL, it is Apache 2. You can see it is by default running, because in Ubuntu, when you install a package, this automatically starts the service. So I don't need to give a specific command to start it, but I can give a command to start that also. The same command, the service command we used, right? We can use it. ubuntu.training.com service.start Apache 2. As it is already running, it has come into the true status.